Setting up your color swatches is really important. So last time you chose your colors. So let's say I knew I was using complementary colors, right? So I was going to use, I'm going to try it. I'm going to have my 3 colors to install, okay? So these are my 3 colors I'm going to use. The first one I'm going to install is the red font. I'm going to use these 2 and this 3rd one here. So it's important to know your RGB color or your hex number when you're actually installing your font. Color, sorry. You go to Illustrator and you have this thing called the swatches. They'll default to the side as a grid, or if you don't see it, you go to Window, Swatches. So the swatches grid, when it's in here, it looks like a little paint bucket, okay? I like to remove it, click it, drag it off, because you can only have one of these open at a time, and that I find sometimes not so helpful. So the ones I use all the time, they're off the grid. I just do that by dragging it off. So swatches. You're making a new swatch, and then you're going to go to your RGB. You're going to locate your number you recorded last class, 178.31.9, and then in here I'm going to write 178.31.9. Perfect. Okay, added right there. Create my next color. Go to my color guide or where I wrote it down. 135, 178, 18. 135, 178, 18. Switch to RGB. 135, 178, 18. Okay, look, I have a second color. My last color I plan on using, I'm going to go to my color picker, 25, 11, 255. So RGB, 25, 11, 255. Okay, there's my color. So now, all I have to do is my font. I can highlight my font. I knew I want it to be green, but I want the green that matches in my color scheme. I have my snowflakes, blue, and it's the blue of the color that I found in the matching icon, which is great. So it's going to match the color scheme as intended. Look how well these colors are working together. So when we use the color wheel, we know that we've chosen a family of colors that work. And so now if I added any more graphics, maybe I wanted to add a line to emphasize my season's greeting. I'm going to use the color of the red I found. And so now I make sure that it's all kind of matching, right? So this whole color scheme works together, which is great. So don't worry about adding too much stuff today. The goal was just to install your font and add your colors. So I'm just showing you adding it to all the steps. But now you'll know how to add your color scheme that all matches great together. Alright, that's how you add your swatches. It's important to now save your swatch library as Illustrator's fine. Somewhere, desktop, greeting card, swatches. Because it's not guaranteed that next time you open Illustrator it will still be saved. So you just save it, and then when you need to load your swatches next time, you just open your library and you go other library, and then you locate that one you just saved to the desktop. So it's very simple to have your library. So Coca-Cola, for example, would have all the reds and whites they need saved, and the color of their polar bear saved, and anything they might use in their graphics are saved in the swatch library. And whenever they're working on that project, they would open the swatch library. So that's how you create your swatch library.